friends. Today I am here to share about World Sleep Day. World Sleep Day is an annual event intended to be a celebration of sleep and a call to action on important issues related to sleep, including medicine, education, social aspects, and driving. World Sleep Day is held the Friday before spring vernal equinox of each year. It is organized by the World Sleep Day Committee of World Sleep Society and aims to lessen the burden of sleep problems on society through better prevention and management of sleep disorders. Now let's get to know about this World Sleep Day in short along with the history and celebration. Sleep, one of the important activities of our life. A person every day should take at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. According to American Sleep Association, over 50 to 70 million people have some type of sleeping disorder. Over 25 million have sleep apnea, and the most commonly reported sleep problem is insomnia. World Sleep Day aims to bring people together, whether everyday people or healthcare providers, to discuss sleep problems, help find solutions, and prevent sleep problems for those who don't yet have them. World Sleep Day aims to consider and aid those who have sleep problems. It is useful for educating people all over the world about the importance of sleep as well as changing the way people view and experience sleep by giving them valuable resources to help them in their daily lives. Now let's get to know about the sleep disorders. Sleep disorder is a condition that results due to improper sleep or the way that you sleep. It can affect the overall health, safety, and quality of life. Other health problems can also occur due to improper sleep. Signs and symptoms of sleep disorders are excessive daytime sleepiness, irregular breathing, or increased movement during sleep. Now let's get to know about some common types of sleep disorders. It includes like insomnia, which is difficulty in falling asleep or remain asleep during the whole night. Sleep apnea. When you are sleeping in the night, you feel difficulty in breathing patterns. Restless legs syndrome. It is a sleep movement disorder. Narcolepsy. It is a condition that is characterized by extreme sleepiness during the day and falling asleep during the day. Now let's get to know about some of the tips to improve our sleeping habits. Now let's get to know about few of the tips to improve better sleep habits. This is laid down by the World Sleep Society. It includes generate a regular bedtime and waking time. If you are habitual of taking siestas, then do not exceed 45 minutes of daytime sleep. Avoid taking excessive alcohol at least 4 hours before bedtime and also do not smoke. Avoid taking caffeine 6 hours before going to bedtime. It includes coffee, tea, soda drinks, and chocolates. Take a light snack before going to bed at night. It will be better to avoid heavy, spicy, or sugary foods 4 hours before bedtime. Do regular exercise, but not going before bed at night. Use comfortable bedding. Before going to sleep, the room should be properly ventilated or maintain the proper comfortable sleep temperature setting. Discard or block all distracting noise before going to sleep and eliminate as much light as you can. Now, moving on to the little history behind this World Sleep Day. Since 2007, World Sleep Day is celebrated annually as a global awareness event that is hosted by the World Sleep Society. World Sleep Day first co-chairs were Liborio Perano, MD, Associate Professor of Neurology at Parma University, Italy, and Antonio Culbras, MD, Professor of Neurology, Upstate Medical University and Consultant, the Sleep Center Community General Hospital, Syracuse, New York, USA. Therefore, we can say that It is an annual awareness event started by a group of dedicated healthcare providers and members of the medical community working and studying in the area of sleep medicine and research. Now let's get to know about the celebration of this World Sleep Day. Now, moving on to the celebration of this World Sleep Day. Just making some efforts to move toward healthy sleep can change life for the better. Now let's get to know about the few ways to celebrate this. Take a nap. Try grabbing 20-minute power nap during a break at work. This makes you feel refreshed. Practice sleep hygiene. The process of sleep hygiene allows brain and body to quiet themselves and prepare for good night of sleep. Participate in a sleep awareness event. Donate to Sleep Fundraiser on this day to help support more research into disorders. Buy a new mattress. Many people struggle with sleep due to a poor sleep structure. Try buying a new bed, which would make a difference in sleep quality. Talk to sleep professional. Those who believe they have some sleep problems, it's important to take time to talk to a sleep professional and seek some advice regarding sleep hygiene. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this World Sleep Day, the little history behind this World Sleep Day, the importance of sleeping in a regular manner, and some of the few tips regarding the sleep hygiene and also about the celebration of this World Sleep Day. So
thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.